Very tragic news coming in of a terrorist attack that took place in Jammu and Kashmir at about 6 o'clock in the evening on Sunday, in which 9 people have lost their lives and 33 other people have been injured. It was a bus that was full of pilgrims going to Mata Vaishno Devi. On the way, they were attacked by these terrorists who opened fire on that bus. And that is when the bus driver lost control and that bus plunged into that gorge. This is a bus that was on its way to the Shiv Khori cave temple when it came under attack as the terrorists opened fire. The police are now using drones and 5 teams have been deployed to carry out the combing operations. The driver who lost control of the bus in the firing that fell into the gorge. In fact, we have the superintendent of police of the area talking about what really happened, what really went wrong. But of course, many reactions coming in, including the President of India, Draupadi Murmu, has called it an act of against humanity. Condemning that attack is also Amit Shah, as well as Prime Minister Modi has reacted as well. So we have many reactions coming into that terrorist attack. Do remember that this is an area which hasn't been known for terror activity, unlike the adjoining areas of Poonch. But we are seeing a lot of terror attacks lately. So whether it's Rajouri or it's Poonch, but now also in this particular area in which the terrorists opened fire at a bus that fell into a gorge. There were more than 40 people on board that bus, of which 33 have been injured, 9 lives have been lost. So we will get you a health update as far as those 33 who have been injured in that bus. Combing operations are on. The drones are being used in order to carry out those operations. Let's just listen in to what the Superintendent of Police had to say.
हमने अपने कॉम्बिंग ऑपरेशन पूरे एरिया में जारी रखा हुआ है। ये लगभग 6 बजे के करीब एक यात्री बस जो है वो शिवखोड़ी से दर्शन करके टुवर्ड्स रियासी जा रही थी। तो उसी बीच इसी स्पॉट पे मिलिटेंट्स ने बस के ऊपर फायर किया। वो फायर करते ही ड्राइवर लॉस्ट कंट्रोल ऑफ द बस और फिर वो नीचे खाई में जाके बस गिरी। उसके बाद वो लोग यहाँ से फरार हो गए और जेएनके पुलिस साथ में सिविल्स लोकल सिविलियंस ने उनको रेस्क्यू करने में मदद की। बाय 7:45 रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन जो है वो कंप्लीट कर लिया गया। 9 पीपल आर रिपोर्टेडली दे आर feared डेड एंड 33 वर इंजर्ड।
देखिए, ऐसे जो आतंकवादी हमले हो रहे हैं जम्मू कश्मीर में, ख़ास तौर पर 370 हटाने के बाद, जबकि सरकार और गृह मंत्री और प्रधानमंत्री हमेशा ये क्लेम करते हैं पब्लिक में कि अब बिल्कुल शांति है, ये इस बात को एक्सपोज कर रही है कि जो कुछ इनका दावा था कि हम पूरी तरह से वहाँ के कानून व्यवस्था, वहाँ की विधि व्यवस्था पर नियंत्रण है, वो गलत है। आज भी आतंकवादी सक्रिय हैं और समय समय पर वो हमला कर रहे हैं और हमारे जवान शहीद हो रहे हैं।
कायर पाकिस्तानी आतंकवादियों ने बहुत दुस्साहस किया है। जम्मू कश्मीर के रियासी के शिवखोड़ी क्षेत्र में यात्रियों पर कायराना हमला किया है। कायर पाकिस्तानी आतंकवादी भारतीय सेना, जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस और हमारे जांबाज पैरामिलिट्री फोर्सेस के जवानों का तो मुकाबला कर नहीं सकते। भारतीय सेना, जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस ने सारे क्षेत्र की घेराबंदी कर दी है। जिन आतंकवादियों ने ये दुस्साहस किया है उनको उनके इस गुनाह की भारी कीमत चुकानी पड़ेगी, भारी कीमत चुकानी पड़ेगी उनको।
So this bus that was carrying pilgrims, over 40 of them, were on their way to Mata Vaishno Devi when the terrorists opened fire at that bus. That is when the bus driver lost control and the bus fell into a gorge, which has claimed 9 lives of the pilgrims who were taking that trip to Mata Vaishno Devi. 33 others have also been injured in that terrorist attack that's taken place in Jammu and Kashmir on a Sunday evening. So rescue operations operations and combing operations are underway. In fact, rescue operations were completed last night. The injured have been transferred to the hospitals, but it is the combing operation which is on. Drones are being used in order to search the terrorists who have caused this deadly attack. We also know that it is the president of the country that has condemned this very attack, has called it an act against humanity. Well, we also know that it is and the Prime Minister who's also reacted to that terrorist attack that's taken place in Jammu and Kashmir, along with, in fact, Amit Shah there as well. So a bus that was carrying over 40 people had a terrorist encounter on the way when terrorists opened fire at that bus that lost control and finally fell into a gorge, which has resulted in the death of 9 people. The identity of the people hasn't really been established yet because they weren't locals. They were there for that trip to Mata Vaishno Devi. We have Nazir joining us. Nazir, first things first, take us through the situation on the ground. We hear combing operations are underway. We hear that drones are being used as well. But first, get us a health update on those who've been injured. Do remember 33 people have been injured, 9 lives have been claimed in this terrorist attack that took place on Sunday in Jammu and Kashmir. The most recent attack in which so many lives have been lost, many have been injured. They were on that bus going towards Mata Vaishno Devi when the terrorists opened fire. A very tragic incident that is being reported, a very shocking incident that's being reported as far as this terrorist attack is concerned in an area which is relatively calm and safe. But unlike its neighboring areas of Rajouri and Poonch, but here we have, this the terrorist attack that's taken place with the president of the country reacting, calling it an act against humanity. Amit Shah also there reacting to that terror attack that's taken place in Jammu and Kashmir. This is of the pilgrims who have in fact been injured. 9 lives have been lost. This was a bus that was returning to Katra of Jammu from Shiv Khori Shrine when the attack that took place at about 6 o'clock in the evening. The bus was carrying pilgrims, but they were sprayed with bullets, some of which hit the driver and caused the vehicle to fall into that gorge. There were at least 9 pilgrims who have died in that terror attack that took place near the Shiv Khori area of Jammu and Kashmir. The bus was returning to Katra of Jammu from the Shiv Khori Shrine. The officials have said that there were about at least 33 others who were wounded, many of them suffering critical injuries. When the driver lost control after being hit by gunshots, the bus rolled down into that gorge. What we are hearing is that at least 10 empty bullet cartridges have been recovered from the site. We have Nazir joining us. Nazir, what is the latest that you're hearing? What about the 33 who've been injured? Any update on their health?
Well, injured have been shifted to Jammu's government medical college and also Narayana Hospital in Riyasi. I'm here why this incident happened. Let us explain this. This is here in this gorge. This bus fell after it was heavily fired by terrorists, and 9 people were killed, 33 are injured. Since then, large number of forces, army, paramilitary, Jammu and Kashmir police, they are here. So let me just talk to people who were actually part of the rescue that time. आप उस वक्त यहाँ थे जब ये बस गिरी?
हाँ, जब एक्सीडेंट हो गया था उसके बाद आए थे हम।
तो क्या आपने देखा, क्या आपका नाम पहले बताएंगे?
मेरा शुभ नाम सुरेंद्र कुमार है।
सुरेंद्र जी, आप बताएंगे क्या हुआ, क्या आपने देखा उस वक्त?
हमें पता चला कि बारक में पहुंचे तो हमें पता चला कि ऊपर टाकरा हो रहा है। वहाँ स्थानीय लोगों ने कहा कि आगे मत जाइए क्योंकि वहाँ पे टाकरा हो रहा है,
यहाँ फायरिंग हो रही है।
हाँ, फायरिंग हो रही है। लेकिन हम फिर भी आगे तो देखा यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग थे, लेकिन एक्सीडेंट लाशें निकाल रहे थे, बहुत बुरी हालत, बहुत कठिन।
तो आपने भी रेस्क्यू में हिस्सा लिया?
हाँ, हिस्सा
आप
लिया।
यहीं के हैं?
हम यहीं के हैं।
तो क्या किया आपने, क्या बताया?
यही देखा था, बस हम आ रहे थे रास्ते से, बोल रहे हैं आगे टाकरा हो रहा, नमाज जाइए आगे।
आप टाकरा फायरिंग को बोल रहे हैं?
फायरिंग बोल रहे हैं, यहाँ फायरिंग चल रही है। हम आगे थे जबरदस्ती, आगे हमने बोला चलो चलते हैं, आगे एम्बुलेंस आ रही थी, हमने बोला पता नहीं क्या चक्कर है। आए देखा तो आगे एक्सीडेंट हो गया था, इधर नीचे से इधर लोगों को निकाल रहे थे, हमने भी चलो निकाला।
उससे किसी की बात हुई आपसे जो क्या बता रहे थे वो? या वो
एक्चुअली वो हमारे को उन्होंने ये बोला कि हमारे पे अटैक हुआ है। तो फिर हमने उनसे ज्यादा कोई बात नहीं की। जो भी डेड बॉडियां थी, जो मतलब लोग थे, उनको सबको निकाल के इधर लाया। फिर एम्बुलेंस में शिफ्ट कर रहे थे, कोई बरक में, कोई पौनी में, कोई त्रियाट में। तो मतलब हमने समझो लाइव ही देखा ये फर्स्ट टाइम कि जब वो मैं सबसे फर्स्ट टाइम आया तो मैं तो वो बोले हमारे पे अटैक हुआ।
जख्मी जो थे,
हाँ, वो ऊपर चढ़ के आए। मैंने देखा, मैं गाड़ी रोक के इधर खड़ा होके देखा, मैंने बस देखी नीचे। तो मैं अकेला था, अकेला कुछ कर नहीं सकता। गाड़ियां खड़ी थी, वो बोल रहे कि फायरिंग चल रही है। फिर मैं अकेले सबको भगाया। मैं चलो यार, उधर वो गाड़ी नीचे चली गई है, और लोग आए और सबने हेल्प
तो
किया।
आपको पहले ही बताया जख्मी ने कि फायरिंग हुई है?
हाँ, मेरे को जस्ट जो आदमी दो निकल के या तो बस से वो बाहर गिर गए, वो ऊपर रोड पे आए, तो रोड पे अटैक हुआ।
So drones are being used as far as combing operations are concerned. 5 teams have been deployed in order to conduct those rescue operations. Do remember that the last time there was an attack that took place as far as Jammu and Kashmir is concerned. We do know that the latest attack was on security forces that took place on the convoy of the Indian Air Force personnel. This had taken place in the Poonch area, in which one Indian Air Force Jawan was killed while 4 others were injured on the 4th of May this year. But when we talk about pilgrims and the attack that had taken place was of a bus carrying Amarnath pilgrims that was targeted by militants in South Kashmir's Anantnag district, and that resulted in the death of 7 pilgrims while 19 others were injured, and that took place in 2017 in the month of July. So we are seeing after 2017 an attack on pilgrims. This is a bus that was carrying pilgrims, over 40 of them on board that bus. 9 have died. 33 others have been injured, and combing operations are underway. As you can see, this is after that terrorist attack that has been condemned by Amit Shah as well as the President of India. Even the opposition, whether it's Mallikarjun Kharge or Rahul Gandhi, also condemning that attack. We heard Mallikarjun Kharge say that we unequivocally condemn the gruesome terror attack on our people and deliberate affront as far as our national security is concerned. That is the message that was put out by the opposition leader and Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge. So many reactions coming in to that terrorist attack that's taken place. From what we are hearing is that this is the Pakistan-based Lashkar-e-Taiba is behind that attack. According to some sources, this is an attack that took place with pilgrims en route to Vaishno Devi. They were killed. There were 33 of them who were injured and 9 of them who have died after the terrorists who opened fire on the bus, as a result of which that bus that fell into a gorge. So from what we are hearing is that these are combing operations which are underway. The terrorist group that is in the area, which is why drones are being used in order to assist in those combing operations. We have seen a number of firefighting that's taken place between the Indian Army and the terrorists, and the casualties as far as the Indian side is concerned. This is with Amit Shah, who has taken the attack very seriously. We also know that despite the Prime Minister has also gone on to condemn that attack. So this is an attack that's taken place in Jammu and Kashmir at about 6 o'clock in the evening on a Sunday. And CCTV footage of the time of that terror attack, that terror strike. Just take a look as to just moments before that attack, that bus that was on its way to Vaishno Devi. This is the CCTV footage that has been recovered of that bus and the terrorist attack. As you can see, there is a jeep that's following that bus, and this is a bus that was on its way to Vaishno Devi. So this is CCTV footage that has been recovered of the scene just before that bus that fell into the gorge. So there we have this bus which had over 40 people on board, of which 33 have been injured and 9 have lost their lives. We have Nazir joining us. Nazir, CCTV footage has been recovered of just moments before that bus that fell into that gorge.
Well, exactly. There are, all bits and pieces about evidence, how this happened, what was happening that time, who all were around in this area. investigators are gathering them. So a part of CCTV footage is part of that, and there was this bus was moving in this particular area. Let me show you this particular area, exactly this spot. You can see the broken glass of the bus where exactly it was fired upon. Then it fell into the deep into the gorge. 9 people lost their lives. But let us talk to the villagers here. Why this area actually has become the big terror theater, the area which was free from militancy. जी हम आपसे बात कर रहे थे अभी, तो आप बताएं कि यहाँ आतंकी इस तरह हमले होते थे या पहली दफा हो रहे?
नहीं, पहली दफा हो गया सर, हमने नहीं देखा।
आपने नहीं देखा?
नहीं देखा सर, होते थे हमारे, एक्चुअली इतना बड़ा हादसा नहीं हुआ।
बिल्कुल
होता
तो क्या लग रहा है, क्यों ये आतंक बढ़ गया इस इलाके में जो बिल्कुल आतंक से साफ था, पाक था?
इसका क्या कहें सर, इसका कुछ नहीं कह सकते, लेकिन बहुत बुरा हुआ, जो हुआ बहुत बुरा हुआ।
तो जख्मियों से आपकी बात हुई होगी, जैसे दूसरे दोस्त ने हमें बताया कि किस तरह जख्मियों ने उसको पुकारा, कहा कि यहाँ हम पे फायरिंग हुई। आपको किसी ने कुछ बोला या नहीं?
नहीं, हमें नहीं बोला, लेकिन हमारा घर के पास एक लड़का है, उन्होंने बोला कि उससे बात हुई थी, लेकिन एक बंदा था वो बोल रहा था हमें रहने दो, उसकी टांग टूटी थी, वो बोलता हमारी बीबी को बचाओ, हमें रहने दो, हमारी बीबी को बचाओ। लेकिन
तो
उसकी
आपको
बीबी
क्या लग रहा है, क्या करना चाहे ताकि इस तरह?
हमने तो वो देखा नहीं, जो मरे हुए वो ही उठाए थे, हमने बात तो किसी से हुई नहीं।
हाँ,
वो ही उठाए थे, तो ऊपर रोड में लाए थे, बस
रोड में लाए,
बात किसी से नहीं हुई हमारी।
तो क्या समा था उस वक्त, मतलब गोलियां भी थी, आतंकियों ने हमला भी किया था, आपको डर तो नहीं लगा?
नहीं, हमको डर नहीं लगा, वैसे वो उनके वो गोलियों के वो पड़े थे इधर।
हाँ, उनके
कार्ट्रिज वो पड़े थे यहाँ हमने।
हाँ,
बाकी हमको डर नहीं लगा, बहुत पब्लिक थी, दुनिया बहुत ही।
हाँ बिल्कुल, काफी लोग
थे इधर, सभी ने निकाला बेचारे, सभी ने हेल्प की बेचारे।
So one important thing is this: people think this area was free from militancy. There was no such terror attack, but it has actually shocked everybody. People who come here, innocent people, they were just going at a cave shrine here called Shiv Khori in the same area from 70 kilometers from here is Katra, a base camp of Mata Vaishno Devi. They were going there, so bus was targeted right here and it fell into the gorge. So what we are hearing from the official sources, from the security forces sources, number one, bus was attacked and it fell into the gorge, and actually this accident led to the more casualties. M3 American carbine was used in this attack, and its cartridge were recovered as well. 2 to 3 terrorists are believed to be involved in this attack. Operating in this area from Pir Panjal, Poonch, Rajouri, Udhampur and Riyasi area. The recent attacks at this attack may not be interlinked because different groups are operating independently to keep the secrecy. In all the attacks over the last 3 years, since October 2021, in which more than 38 army soldiers have been killed, 11 civilians have been killed, not in any case attackers were tracked down immediately. Yes, militants have been killed, but more often than not, we have seen after every attack, attackers managed to escape. Same thing happened here in this case. Reason is this. Look at this. If a terrorist comes, he carries out an attack, he can just disappear in these thick forests. And there are natural caves which provide perfect shelter to them. So it's not humanly actually possible to man every inch, every yard of this road, of this area, because this is a vast area, so and a difficult area, mountainous area, think forest. So that is why it is becoming very, very difficult for the security force to deal with the situation. More importantly is cooperation from the people, even as there are no local militants in the area.